Hi all. Today we'll see a topic based on grade 11 physics. The topic is from the chapter Motion in a Straight Line based on Differential Calculus. The question goes like this. A particle moves in a straight line. Its displacement t seconds after leaving a fixed point is x meters, where x is equal to t square plus t cube. Find the velocity of the particle at time t is equal to 10 seconds and value of t for which acceleration is twice initial acceleration. So there are two parts for this question. In the first part, they are asking to find the velocity of the particle, and in the second part, they are asking to find the acceleration. Okay, we need to find the acceleration for finding the time. Okay, so this question, as I told you, it is completely based on what? Differential calculus. Displacement of the particle, x is given as the function of time. So x is equal to what? T square plus t cube. This is the displacement. They are asking to find the velocity and acceleration. So first we'll find the velocity. To find the velocity, we need to apply the differential calculus here. According to the rule of differential calculus, as you know, d of x raised to n by dx is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Here, in place of n, okay, we have 2 here, and in the second term, we have 3. We should find the velocity. Velocity is defined as what? Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement with the time, that is dx by dt. So when you apply the value here, what is the value of x? X is equal to t square plus t cube by dt. When you open the bracket, this will become d of t square by dt plus d of t cube by dt. Okay. Now when you apply the rule here, in place of n we have 2. So velocity is equal to 2 into t into 2 minus 1 plus 3 into t into 3 minus 1. So this will be equal to velocity is what? This is 2t plus 3t square meter per second. This is the velocity. Okay, velocity of the body is this. We can't stop here because they are asking velocity of the particle at time t is equal to how many seconds? 10 seconds. So we'll find the velocity of the particle after time t is equal to 10 seconds next. For that, we use this equation and we substitute the value of t is equal to how many seconds? 10 seconds. So when you substitute, this will be equal to v is equal to what? 2 into t plus 3t square, value of t is substituted here, so v is equal to 2 into 10 plus 3 into t square is 10 square. Okay, so velocity will be equal to 20 plus 300, which is equal to how much? 320 meter per second. So the first part is done here. First part of the question is done. To find the velocity after how many seconds? 10 seconds. Now we'll go to the second part. In the second part, they're asking value of t for which acceleration is twice. So first we'll find the acceleration of the particle. To find the acceleration, you know, acceleration is nothing but, acceleration is what? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time. Again, we are using the same rule here. Okay, we substitute the value of v first. This is the value of v. Okay, v is equal to how much? V is equal to 2t plus 3t square by dt. So when you differentiate the equation again, okay, we open the bracket. So d of 2t by dt plus d of 3t square by dt. Okay, so here the first is a constant. We don't differentiate the constant. Second term is what? Second term is t. When no power is given means power will be 1. So this will be equal to 2 into, we don't differentiate the first term, it's a constant. Differential of t raised to 1 is 1 into t raised to 1 minus 1 plus, again we have a constant 3, we don't differentiate it. Then second is for t square. Differential of t square is 2 into t raised to 2 minus 1. So acceleration will be equal to what? Acceleration will be equal to 2 into t into 1 minus 1 will be 0, and t raised to 0 is what? T raised to 0 will be equal to 1. So this will become 2 plus this will be how much? 6 into t. So this is the acceleration of the particle. Acceleration is how much? 2 plus 6t meter per second square is the acceleration. Now, we haven't finished yet. We need to find the time for which acceleration is twice the initial acceleration. So first we'll find what is the initial acceleration of the particle. Initial acceleration of the particle will be the acceleration at time t is equal to how much? Time t is equal to 0. So to find the initial acceleration, we find first. So to find the initial acceleration, we'll put the value of t as what? We'll put the t value as 0 in this equation. So we have the equation for acceleration is 2 plus 6t. So when you substitute the value of t as 0 here, this will become 2 into 6 into 0, which is equal to 2 meter per second square. So initial acceleration of the particle is 2 meter per second square. We need to find the time for which the acceleration is what? Twice the initial acceleration. So twice means acceleration will be how much? 4 meter per second square. So acceleration is 4 meter per second square. We need to find the time for which acceleration is 4 meter per second square. So once again you can substitute the value of acceleration is how much? 4 meter per second square. Again 4 is equal to 2 plus 6 into t. We should find the value of t. So this can be written as what? 2 is equal to 60, or you can write t is equal to 2 by 6, which is equal to how much? 1 by 3 seconds. 1 by 3 seconds. So time is equal to how much? 1 by 3 seconds.